Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix there was a problem loading this website on Shopify. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open a browser. Once you open the browser, if your Shopify dashboard or store isn't loading correctly, before you do anything, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. You can try opening another website to confirm your connection is stable. If it's slow or not loading, you can switch network or restart your router. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. A corrupted cache can cause Shopify to fail loading. So, simply tap on this three dot, scroll below, tap on settings. Inside here, simply tap on privacy and security. Just like that, tap on delete browsing data. Inside here, unselect all of these, but select cached images and file and then tap on delete data. After that, restart your browser and then try opening Shopify again. After that, simply tap on extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or script blocker, can interfere with Shopify. Disable any suspicious or unnecessary extension. And after that, refresh Shopify and then check if the error is gone. Also, you can open a browser in incognito mode. If Shopify loads normally, the issue is with your browser cache or extension. Also, sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Shopify server may be down. So you can go ahead and simply search for Shopify status page. And then if there is a bug reported, you will need to wait until Shopify fixes it. And after that, you can try different browser or device. If you're using Chrome, switch to a Firefox or Safari or Edge. You can also try logging in your phone or another computer. If Shopify loads on another browser or device, the problem is with your main browser. And that's it. These are the best way to fix Shopify when it shows the error there was a problem loading the site. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.